Hi, Victoria here from HPA Encompass, the Bookkeeper Hub and author of Zest for Success. Back in my car studio. It's been a few weeks, sorry. The place that I was able to record was being renovated, so I'm now back with a nice bushy backdrop and no cars in the background. And today I want to have a chat about Xero and its ecosystem. You've heard me talk about Xero over lots and lots of episodes, and it's definitely my product of choice as far as accounting and bookkeeping for your business goes. But using Xero's ecosystem allows you to work smarter rather than harder. And I heard a great quote the other day, which is, software is cheaper than labour. So the more apps that you can get that connect together without you having to double enter things, the smarter you're going to work, the quicker you're going to work, and the less labour that you're going to have to pay for. So obviously Xero is the base. It's your general ledger. That's accounting speak, but what it means is it's where your bank account goes and it's where you reconcile your transactions. But there's lots and lots of other stuff that goes on your business that is not necessarily in that part of your business. So one of the first things I want to have a chat about are apps for tracking bills. Now, bills are expenses that you pay, whether it's something that you've paid for straight up front or you've got an invoice. And one of the ways to work that bit smarter is to use one of the add-ons. Now, there's lots of them around. I'm going to name a few. There's Receipt Bank, which has been around for years, been Xero Partner of the Year a couple of times. There's Squirrel Street. It used to be known as Shoeboxed. It's been around for years and years. There's iCube Boxy, there's Verify, but my favourite at the moment is one called HubDoc. Now, I'm going to go on for this whole session about HubDoc because it's really, really cool. $27 Australian, $27.50 Australian per month. And what it does is it not only allows you to update bills or upload bills via email, by drop and drag, or via a phone app where you take a picture of the bill and it drags all the details out and puts it in a draft bill in Xero, but it also has the ability to fetch documents. And that's really cool, really, really cool. So anything that you can download online, you can link HubDoc to. So we're thinking bank statements, extracts of CSV from your bank account, telephone bills, electricity bills, rates. I believe it works with Caltex cards, Bunnings, Officeworks, Bartercard, all kinds of different online programs that you can download your bill from, and it will actually fetch all that information and drop it into your Xero, which means that you yourself don't need to do it. As an accountant and a bookkeeper, being able to log in and have a copy of your bank statement at the end of the month so I can prove that the Xero balance is correct is a godsend, and also having access to it that if something has gone wrong, we can double check the two of them and find out which one it is. And the CSV of the bank accounts is really, really handy where you've got bank accounts that don't link to Xero. So Xero is awesome and it links to most banks, but some accounts, some types of accounts don't link. So quite often loan accounts, and one that stopped being linked recently is CBA cards if they're not business cards. So for instance, in our business, I use my CBA card for all the Bookkeeper Hub subscriptions, and I have to log into CBA, download a CSV, then import it into Xero to be able to code it. If I use HubDoc, it will automatically pull the CSV out. All I need to do then is drag it across to Xero and it will import straight away. So a much quicker process, and that's really all I've got to do with bill add-ons today. There are a varied range of them, varied prices, but I really do think that currently at $27.50, HubDoc is the cream of the crop. So that's all I've got to say today about the first of the Xero add-on in the ecosystems, is about bill add-ons, and I'll see you on the other side. My task for you today is to have a look at the bill add-ons and see which one is better for you. Just think about this, $30 odd a month for a subscription that sucks all the information out of your bill, so you're not typing in the name, the date, the amount, the GST, the due date. It's all in there, which means you can just go through, accept it or check the coding as to where the expense has been, and then it goes into your bills, which matches off to your bank rec. A lot cheaper than paying a bookkeeper, I can tell you right now. And I'm a bookkeeper. We use these add-ons and we love them. So I'll see you on the other side.